Welcome one and all to this 27th episode of D&D, which is a surprise episode because today Zoe decided for lunch, she went, "Hey Daddy, can we do code tonight?" And I said yes, because I'm such a magnanimous father.
What does magnanimous mean?
Magnanimous means good-hearted, somebody that is a good person.
So
nice.
You didn't want to?
No, it's fine, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm being ironic.
Oh.
Yes. Anyway, hello everyone, this is Mike.
And this is Zoe.
And today we're going to keep on adding sounds to our game.
And hopefully finish.
Hopefully finish. Well, let's see what else we got to do. So, car jump we need to do, car land and car start. Okay, no, car start is done. And car start...
We need to do lap.
Oh, lap and overtake. Yeah, right.
Lap,
so,
overtake, car jump, car land.
So all of these need to be done, and they are car dependent. But these are all one-shot sounds. So we are going to add another source to our car.
Okay, an audio source, right?
Yes, ma'am. And we're gonna create a new one altogether. So audio source, rename this one to AS_SFX. Yep. And this one will have no play on awake, no loop, no nothing. No. But it needs the same. I'm silly. It needs the same settings as this one, even though it needs like 3D and stuff. So, base component values. Pop. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now we can't use the skids one because the skids one has a very, very high pitch, whereas the SFX one needs to keep the pitch on 1. So it's going to be the default pitch of our sound. And yeah, everything that's fine. Linear roll off is fine, etc. All right, so we got AS_SFX. So first things first, we need to add that, right? And don't think we're gonna put it on the player motor. We're gonna put it on the player, aren't we? But here we have all of our audio sources. That's fine. It doesn't matter. So let's add it right here. Go private.
We've kept these variables pretty neat.
Audio source. Well, I mean, not all code gets gigantic, and there are many people that would believe that gigantic code is bad in general. AS_SFX.
Are you one of them?
Yes-ish, but my code does tend to grow. Copy.
What's here? What is this here? Oh, we need to...
You can follow what calls what. So you can do this and go to find view call hierarchy, and here it'll show you what other places you call this function. You can just keep on reading. It's interesting. If you need to debug things, this is useful. Anyway, yes, error list is what interests us the most, at least at the moment. So let's copy this and write in setup, paste it here. No, equals. Wait, we can steal some code from here in the setup of the motor. Yeah, copy all of this because the motor and the player are exactly in the same place. So paste. This will be correct, and just change this for FX. Add FX. Yeah, save. Okay, so we got the audio source ready. Now let me see the player motor here. Play skid. Okay, let's copy this and go back to our player. Paste it here and save. Now play, and this one should be SFX, FX. No, just FX. So here we're gonna save. We're gonna have to decide how we get to play these. Now, for landing on tiles, we technically have our tile thing, but I think we'll change that. We're gonna make it so that all of the tiles that we land on with the car. So basically we're gonna use this one for the thing about the tiles. I think that's better. For the tile sound, what we're gonna do is we're gonna use them for depositing mines and that sort of stuff, because that doesn't have a sound yet. Anyway, let's not get ahead of ourselves. So, but here we're gonna call sounds. Now, in order to get those sounds, we need to know what sounds we want. And that's not necessarily super easy because overtaking and that sort of stuff depends on other things. But I do think we have a score types. So there are land on refuel, land on mine, land on no brakes, land on breakdown, right? So all of these, cross overtake, etc. So I think score type is really quite good for us to do this. But we're also going to need other things. We're going to need like card type. If you click on someone, for example, that sort of stuff, right? If you need to do a jump. So yeah, it's not that easy. I'm actually kind of thinking about creating a new enum just for this. You know?
Okay.
Yeah. So even though there's going to be some overlap again on these, there's going to be more because we have, let's take a look here. So you got the sound for overtaking, the sound for lapping, right? Now the sound for lapping.
I think I'm going to sneeze on that.
All right. Whoops. So the sound for landing, for example, isn't anywhere, right? So it's when you fall down, which should depend on the motor. I think I want to change my mind again. We're going to put it in the motor. Yes. Oh boy. Okay, cut this. Yeah, except undo. And now cut it. So let's not do it like last time, okay? Let's focus right away, please. Paste. Okay, there we go. So now player should complain a bit because it's gonna go, where is it? I don't know it. Cut. And
we forgot to save the player.
Paste. Save.
We forgot to save the player.
Yeah, that's fine. There, done. Skid pitches, not sure. No, wait, why are you complaining? Oh, right, this entire thing not needed. Save. We're probably gonna have to have some kind of, actually undo this. Yeah, we're gonna, yeah, we're gonna need some kind of play SFX sound. And we're gonna have some way of requesting it. Save. Okay. Now, for landing, there, do another one. We'll public this one actually.
Public.
Yeah, void play SFX. Yeah, open, close.
Oh, oopsies. I put a lowercase.
Save. Okay, and we're gonna make this one public too. Because
public.
Yeah, save. Okay, because we need it for the game manager to call this if it's necessary, and I think it will be. So let's take a look at our audio manager. I know we have one. Aha, look, car SFX type. So there's skid, there's overtake, land, jump. So there's quite a few, and they're all here. And here is request card SFX, and we get that sound back. Okay, that's very good.
We got some stuff ready.
That's very good. Right, so what else are we gonna need? Jump, land, start to stop, lap. We're gonna need one for lap. So add lap.
Lap.
Save. Okay, now we need to add all of these sounds. So we're gonna simply copy this.
And paste it
4 times. Paste, 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 paste. Okay, so not skid, but overtake. And overtake. And not skid, but land. Land. Jump. Jump. Lap. And lap.
It will make it a lot clearer to know that we've got a lap or not.
Okay,
for the prefix and the sound.
Wait a moment, I just noticed this is a bit annoying. So here, type system. Yeah, and
we don't
tiles.
need that load audio one anymore.
Yeah, it's fine.
Oh, wait, be consistent. Tiles.
Well, if you really want to be consistent, then you need a space. But you're inconsistent with yourself up here.
Oh, whoops.
So put a capital S here. Remove this. Put a capital T here. Okay. And now space car. I've already put a space. Purple. Save. Okay, copy this. Paste, 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 paste. Okay. Copy. Paste. Copy. Paste. copy, paste, copy, paste. Okay, cars, blah. So let's see what they're called. Car land, car jump, car land, lap, overtake. Okay, so
kind of inconsistent.
I know. Go ahead. Car jump.
Car
jump.
Jump.
Car land.
Car land.
Overtake.
Overtake.
Add an R.
Over. Sorry.
And car lap, I think.
It was just lap here.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Save. Okay. So now these are all ready. Now we need to copy this case. Paste. 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 Okay, so this one is supposed to be, just type these. This is going to be faster if you type them. Overtake. Okay. Land. Jump. Lap. Okay. And now copy overtake. Paste. 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 Oh. Paste. Okay, lots of manual labor here. Copy, paste, 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 copy, paste, 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 and paste. And the last one, copy, paste, 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 underscore vol. Yeah. Copy, paste, save. Thanks. All right, so all of this is good now. Request car sound. So, and here we're gonna need to know what sound we want. So we're gonna have to request a car SFX type. So copy this. Actually, copy this and paste it here. Yep. And then here as well. Save. And all you want to do here is you want to say PM for player motor dot play SFX open round T close round semicolon. Save. Okay, so now it receives the type. Save. And here we're going to have to say okay, copy all of this, paste it here. SFX automatic, put a T here, and then we're gonna say we're gonna remove the pitch. We don't actually care. SFX is not null, then AS SFX. There it is. Save. Okay, so this is now going to work. Now the first thing, we can play an SFX when we start the single move, which is here. So this is when we jump. So here you're gonna call play SFX. Yeah, open. And here you're gonna say car. No, you first need to say car SFX type dot jump. Close semicolon. Okay. Now copy this, paste it here, and go land.
Let's do them down.
Okay, so that's 2 of them down. Save. Save. Okay, so every single move like this, we're gonna get a jump. Except, wait a moment. No, this is not ideal. Because, for example, falling on a mine, you get a jump sound. Well, it could still be okay. We'll see. It could still be alright, in the end of the day. Okay. It's not a huge deal. Right, so...
I think I might have put the microphone too far.
No, you're fine. Okay. I'll hear you. We've already tested it, don't you remember?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so this is us dealing with jumps and lands. Now, laps. Okay, those depend on the game manager. So the game manager should know at some point when you lap the thing. So let's see. Calculation, get down. Oh, no. Overtake, evaluate landing tile. Let's take a look at this. Start. Change score, land, start. That's not what we want. Okay, I don't remember how we changed the lap, so we need to go take a look. Add refuel, single move, check for overtake. Does increment lap. Okay, hit. No, so let me show you that. Okay, we're gonna go to view call hierarchy, and let's see. So increment lap is called by setup, at least in theory. Is it? Or am I not understanding this? Because I've not used it very much myself. Okay. Oh no, this is just because I had it from before and I was monitoring. So I'll close that there. And now I'll take a look at this. So get tile int here. He's calling this. Where is it? Increment lap. Should be play. There. No. It's not this. Move your hand away. I can't see. Ah, there it is.
Good.
Right, so this is when you get pushed backwards. Yeah, if returnable is lower than that. Yeah, increment lap by -1. Okay, so we don't want that. Calls to get tile. Execute move, execute single move. Move is the one we want. This one. So this one should call. Check for overtake, next tile, blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. And I can't see it though. So unless I'm bad at this, I can't see where it is, which is very annoying.
Yes, but so, can we use the
Yeah, we can use search. It's gonna be much easier. Yeah, I guess I'm not familiar with this very much. So where was it? I know it was here. Oh, Control F. Now it's in all open documents, that's fine. So public vault increment lap direction, okay. Okay, that's the one we found. Ah, that's the other one. It was both here. So I don't know, does it then show? Let me close the search. It doesn't show it. Do you need to highlight it? No. No, it just doesn't show, this is horrible. Okay, so here it is, increment lap of 1, and this is the one that we need to do something about. But because increment lap is actually on the player, we can do it directly from here. So that's quite nice.
And I've still got a copy,
but we need to be careful only if the direction is positive. If we increment the lap when the direction is negative, then it's not going to be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So at this point, I think, yeah, let's do it here. That makes the most sense. So
I don't have it pasted anymore, so.
Huh?
I don't have a way to copy that meant anymore.
Okay. Oh wait, I realized another thing as well. It only needs to happen the first time. So here it says if highest lap is low. Aha, right here. Okay, this is where you do it. So we'll play SFX, open round, and go car SFX type dot lap. Open, close. Yeah, semicolon. Okay, so check for overtake. What does this do? It calls overtake on the game manager. So let's go take a look at the overtake. Zoe, seriously, like stop shifting sideways. I can't see. I need to see. Just stand still, more or less, which is a tall order for an 8-year-old. I understand. Okay, so what was I gonna do? Overtake, right here. And this is when we overtake it, or it instantiates that thing. Change score, etc. We have a player, so that's very important. P change score, cross overtake. We could play the sound in change score. I think this would probably be the best. Probably be the safest. So let's do that. Player, change score, and right here, plus equals increment. Oh no, wait, we don't know because it depends on that increment, so we're not gonna do it there. We're gonna do it here. Let's do it here. So go p dot play sound, play SFX, whatever we called it.
Oops, not up.
Open round, tab.
Round, tab, period.
Wait, our microphone is collapsing here. There.
So
yeah,
we
overtake.
need to do overtake. We got to do jump. No, wait, we've done all of them.
We've done all of them. Yeah, close overtake. Save.
Not a test.
All right. Yeah, wait a moment before we test. So let's take a look. So these are done. The car is all done, but all of the deck related stuff is not done.
Yeah.
What about the tiles? Yes,
all
of them done. Systems, all of them done. Okay, so yeah, I guess we can test at least once. Let's
at least try if these ones work.
Yeah, they should. Null reference object. Oh yeah, because we're silly, we forgot to apply this, and now delete it, and now it's gonna work.
Because we're silly. Oh, I keep forgetting I can't press space anymore.
Yep.
It kind of sounds.
Well. Look.
Nice blue. Especially because you're blowing up.
Oh, I heard the landing.
What?
Yeah, you heard the jump, right? And you also heard the landing. So there's a thing that has been bothering me for ages. And I really dislike the curve that we have when we land from the jump. So let's take a look at our player, because it bounces a bit, and I can see why we did that. But yeah, just no. Okay, so it's not here. So it's gotta be in Game Manager. There it is. See? This little bump here? Don't like it. Replacing it with normal curve. Let's see how this looks like.
No blind dying.
Yeah, no more like crazy bounces, because it doesn't look good at all. So.
Plus the cars don't bounce. Mine again.
See, the bonus turn didn't make the sound, the card. So.
Yeah, because the card's not working.
I know.
Freak! Who's gonna
Oops, I forgot.
Okay. Boing, boing. I heard that.
Yeah, I also preferred the push -1. Let's see. Yeah, much better how it lands and everything.
Yeah.
Okay, so everything.
That works.
No, we need to lap.
Oh.
We need to test the lap. So let's go to the Game Manager, do a 70. And
we can do 62, but anyway.
Can we?
You got
let's do
62
63, it's the safest.
Yeah.
Green, this card. Yellow. Okay, this is gonna sound weird in the sound department because the car is gonna keep on going 6th gear, 6th gear, 6th gear, but that's fine.
This won't happen in real, so. This will not happen in real life, so we're fine.
We could change it so that it stops at high revs on the 6th. Okay, so that worked. Now, let's move on to our cards. So for the cards, what I think we will do is we will simply put put sound effects on the card itself. Yeah, I think that makes the most sense. So it's landing there, you get all of the correct sounds and everything.
We're gonna have to do a lot of copy and pasting.
Just a little bit. Okay, so here's the card. Just, go to... Actually, let's take the player. And duplicate this.
So many
drag
ASS
it into
effects.
the card. Delete. Rename to ASSFX. And change its transform to reset it. Now it's in the middle of the card. Apply. Delete. Save. Okay. Now, card. Right here. It should have a setup, and it knows the card type. Now, I don't think that actually matters now that I think about it. But create a private.
This one is a very tiny script.
Yeah, and I like it. Private audio source ASSFX.
I'm just gonna add this. Oh, audio settings. Sorry. Or
ASSFX.
AS.
No.
Wait. Lowercase a. Yes.
Yes.
S. FX.
semicolon.
Semicolon, save.
Okay, now before we do anything, I'm just very lazy, so we're gonna copy all of this.
Yeah.
Paste it here, and it doesn't need audio here. Save. Okay, so we got the audio source there, and when we start coroutine uncover, so we can do it right here. But wait, before we do it, we actually need to create stuff for this,
We need
and
to
it's
load
nowhere here. So copy all of this, paste it here, add the letter D here, card SFX time. Actually, I think this is gonna get confusing. Let's call this one deck SFX time. Yeah, I don't want to have to like mess around with the tab key up and down and all sorts of things. So let's see, what have we got? There's loads of them, and this is gonna get really boring. So here's what we're gonna do.
All we know is that they all start with card.
Yeah.
All we know.
Just to make positively sure, I'm gonna close my browser so I don't get anything that I don't want to show. All right, so here we go. So we got them side by side, and we can now see them. So type draw here. Okay, the next one is gain. Actually, let's call this one. First, let's do the other ones. So draw land, go land. Do we have something for discard? We're gonna use draw to discard. It's not ideal, but it's fine. Now here, call this one play, and then uppercase go gift. Yeah, that's good. And now copy play gift, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it, paste it, and let's stop here for now. Okay, so this one, instead of gift, you want to put lol. This one, instead of gift, you want to put lose. This one, instead of gift, you want to put pariah. Push, pull, add pull as well.
Push pull.
Push pull, it's the same sound. Restart. Wait, paste,
Steal.
I think. You still have it. Paste. And paste. Okay, so steal.
Swap.
Yeah, and reverse. Save. Save again. Okay, so we got deck SFX type. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna copy this, paste it here, save, and this one you want to call it deck SFX type. Copy, paste. Okay, no, we don't need all of these. Okay, since we're now done, having this double screen thing is gonna be quite difficult to stomach. So we're now going to make it full screen. Save. Okay, full screen for you. Whoop. And full screen for you. Ta-da! Alright, so here we go, full screen. Now let's start with whatever the first one is. Dot. Let's start with draw. Yeah. And we are going to need some sounds, obviously. So draw, capital D.
Dry.
And draw. Save. Okay, now copy this, paste it here, and deck here, and draw here.
I wonder how many we have.
Copy, paste. Okay.
I do wonder
Copy.
how many we have.
Paste, 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 paste. Stop here for now. Okay, so draw, land, play gift. Yeah, copy, paste, paste. Lol. Copy, paste, paste, ooze, O-S-E, copy, paste, paste. I think the next one is pariah. Pariah. Yeah. Copy, paste,
Oopsies.
paste. Okay, paste again. And this one is push pull. Push pull.
Play push pull.
Yep. Save. And copy, paste, save. Now we need a few more. Copy. Let's see. After push pull, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So paste, 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 paste. Okay, and after that there is
Restart,
restart.
steal, swap.
So restart, restart, steal,
Swap.
steal.
Now this one
There
swap.
was another one, no? Reverse.
Swap, reverse.
Yeah, okay. Swap.
Swap, sorry. Swap.
Swap. Reverse. And reverse. Save. Okay, so all of these are now ready. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11, which means we're gonna copy this, paste it here. Now before we do that, replace this with deck. Actually, let's do these two manually first. Copy, paste. Now that's, so here you need to go deck. And I think this one's called card draw. Yeah, all of them start with card, so card draw. Okay, copy all of this.
Paste it 11 times.
Paste it here. No, not
Sorry,
yet.
10
Land. Land. Okay, now copy this, paste it here. And this one is copy play gift. And it's right here. And I think we don't have the word play here. That's right.
Just gift.
Just gift. Well, paste it anyway. Save. Okay, and this one we're gonna copy. So this one needs to be copied 8 times. Paste, 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 paste. Is it 8? No. One more. Okay, save. I mean, I may be wrong. Worst case scenario, we're a little bit long. Copy play lol. Lose. Pariah. Copy. Okay, we got them all. Oh, steal, we didn't put a play in front of it. So hit Control R twice. Put the word play here. Yeah, hit enter. And this one is still called play steal on the volume, so we're fine. Okay, so card gift. Now I don't remember about lol.
Card lol.
Card lol. So add letters lol. Add the letters lose. Pariah.
I think. No, wait, pariah.
Yeah, I can see it there. Push pull.
Push pull.
Restart.
Start.
Steal. Swap.
What about when you get a bonus from the cards?
Reverse. It's gonna sound like the bonus, no?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we're gonna have to make some decisions about when these play. Because, for example, gift should probably play when you click your opponent, not right away. Right, so maybe we need some kind of generic sound for when the card is played. But we have the land sound, so that should help. I don't know, right? We'll see. Because it's not obvious. We have various stages at which a card is interacted with. LOL does right away, right?
And so does Pariah.
Yes, exactly. And so there's restart, so there's, reverse. Anyway, so...
Restart should have also a jump and land.
Yeah, jump and land should trigger on the motor irrespective of anything.
Copying and pasting.
Yeah, well, that's not going to be too difficult. So draw, copy this, paste, 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 paste. Okay. Now copy and paste this.
Oh, whoopsie, sorry.
It's fine, it worked. So keep on pasting. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Save.
Paste.
Alright, so now copy land. Paste, 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 and paste. Okay. Copy, paste, 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 paste. Okay, play gift, copy. Whoa, paste. Now zoom in, hold control. Okay, a bit more. This is gonna be 2. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, paste. I think this is a little bit higher than before. Paste and paste. Hold control. I'm gonna zoom out by 1. Okay, that's enough. Where was I? Lol. Okay, lose. Copy. Whoop-de-doo. This isn't boring at all.
We'll do more copying and pasting.
Well, once this is done, we're basically there. Right? Nobody said making games was gonna be easy.
Yep.
Paste. Paste. Certainly easier to dig in ditches.
Yeah.
Copy. So can't complain, can you? Oh boy, did I save it? I think so. Paste. No, wait, I broke it. No, I saved it. Yeah, we're good. Paste.
Say what?
Well, you pasted before I was in the right place, but I somehow, I guess, clicked just before you pasted.
Whew.
Copy.
Sorry.
That's alright. Paste. 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 I think I'm gonna take a different approach on the next one. Copy. I'm gonna start from the end. Paste. 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 Yeah, definitely faster. Copy. Paste. 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 And the last one. Copy.
Almost done.
Paste. 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 Save. Okay. Land. Lol. A gift, my bad. Gift. There it is. Lol. Lose. Pariah. Push pull. Do it again. Push pull. Yeah, I can do it as soon as you get one letter. Restart. Reverse. Steal. Thanks. And swap. Perfect. Save. All right. Whew. Okay, audio manager done and dusted.
Done with the boring stuff.
So now we got to go and call these things. So this one is, oh, we didn't do that? That's odd. So we didn't take the,
Oh boy.
copy this. I thought we'd done it. Paste it. I'm almost sure we've done it. Save. So for uncover, now you want to say ASSFX, play one shot. No, wait a second. No, this is going to be annoying. Save. So create a void.
Void.
Wait a moment now. Copy.
Why did you copy the void as well?
Paste it. Save. So play SFX, and you want the deck SFX type. So deck. Except it's all caps. Save. What did you want? Sorry. Why did you ask me? I missed what you asked me. You asked me something a moment ago.
And I don't remember what
Why
I
did you want a
asked.
void, I think, or something?
Oh yeah, why did you take the void too? Because we already had one.
Request deck sound. At least I think that's what we called it. Let me go back to the error list. Audio manager does not request a deck sound. Okay, so what do we have? Oh, that's pretty bad. Deck sound. Save. Alright, now that's much better. Come on, buddy. Save.
Did you
one.
pause the Dropbox?
Yeah, I did.
Good.
Play SFX, play one shot, SFX clip, SFX volume, perfect. Okay, so copy play SFX, paste it here, open round, card type, dot, draw. Close. Save. Okay, copy all of this.
Discard.
Do return right here, paste it, land.
And here we're drawing for discarding, you said.
Save. Huh?
You said we're drawing for discarding.
Yeah, so copy this,
But it's already copied.
paste it here, save. Doesn't hurt you copy again, I wasn't sure. Okay, so when we land, some of them are going to have to play the sound. So go ahead and do a switch. Open, CT, close, store. How'd you get it this wrong? Open that squiggly, iterative, close it. Okay, case, space, tab, dot. What? Oi. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, save. So uncover here. We need to send it to the card type. Copy card type CT. Paste it here. Type CT.
Bye.
Backspace. Save. Okay. Now, again, it wasn't happy. So switch CT.
Switch city? No, wait. Switch city.
Okay. Case. Space tab. Dot. Alright, so let's see. Closest breakdown will play a jump, so it doesn't matter, and the sound for breakdown will play when we land. Closest refuel also doesn't matter, we'll land there. Deploy mine will apply when we click on the mine, so we're gonna leave it alone. Gain turn should happen on its own if I remember correctly, but maybe not. Maybe not, I'm not sure. Yeah, let's try and put this one. So colon. Now don't format it as you normally do. That you'd go to the next line. We're just gonna stay here. Go play sound. SFX, that's the one. Open. Tab. Dot. Oh wait, this is probably wrong. Yeah, it's not that deck SFX. We want tile SFX, I think. Alright, wait, but this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work. Save for a moment. So let me go take a look at here how we do it. I think it's an evaluate tile. And then we play a sound for the tile. And request tile sound. There it is. And the problem is that this one moves that audio source for the tiles about. And this is kind of annoying. So we're gonna keep this AS tiles, but we are not going to have that one play things. We're gonna ask for the player to play that sound. Okay? So on the player, we're gonna copy this, paste it here, save. And here, add the word tile here. Save. So the problem is the audio source is currently on the player motor. So that's a little bit annoying too. So we're gonna have to create...
Cars FX type it was.
Yeah, it's fine, we'll fix it now. We'll copy this again and paste it here. And now copy all of this, paste it here, and save. Okay, so this one changes to tile SFX type. Okay, tile type. Oh no, that may be wrong actually.
We don't have a tile SFX.
We don't?
I don't think so, at least. Tech type cars SFX type.
Oh, you're wrong. You're right, I mean. Ah, we have a request tile sound though. Tile type, yeah, so that's fine. Okay, save. Tile.
Oops.
Undo. Yeah, too much. Redo. Redo. Control Y. One more. So save now. Okay, now stay disciplined. Request tile sound. Save. Okay, this one's good. Copy this to the player, paste it here. Save. Okay, so now we're done with this. Now copy this.
Okay.
And we're gonna go to game manager. And request tile sound, we need to find it. So hit Control F. Okay. Okay, they are the request tile sounds. So next tile type, blah 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 blah. So there's a few. One for standard if it's got a mine on it. I don't see any others. Okay, so here we're going to say p dot paste open, copy this, paste it here, close, semicolon. We're now going to delete this. Save. Copy this. Copy this. Paste. Copy this. Paste. And delete. Save. Okay. So request tile sound. We're now only going to need it where we want to put it, so it's still working correctly, but it's not going to be for tile type. I don't think. We're probably going to have it for something else, like a system sound or something, because I'd realize we don't have a sound for clicking, and I think we should probably have it anyway. Yeah, so for now what we're going to do is we're just going to comment this out. There, save. Does not exist in this oh yeah, right. Play SFX. Alright, that's for the tile. So we can't have play SFX. We need a request for the player. And that's for gain turns for the active player. Alright, so I don't know if we can reach the game manager for this. But I think we can, but we're gonna do it a bit differently. So copy the thing we've just commented out, paste it here, and here you're going to right, wait, it depends on the sound, doesn't it? The pain gain turn. This is a pain. Okay, tile type T. Okay, and instead of request tile sound, go request card player sound. So we're gonna need the main player, save, to get this. Now I don't remember where we have the main player. Should be under start roll or somewhere around here. Draw card. No, play card. That's the one. Copy. Okay. Found it, and you want,
and there we can put quite a few sound plays there.
This, one moment, I'm pondering here.
Okay.
You don't need any of this. Paste it here. Dot. Play tile SFX open T. Close. Semicolon. Okay, and now we can call this one from the card. Make it public.
Public. You wrote public.
Public is much better. Copy. No, I mean save. Yeah, save. Copy this into the card. Okay, game manager.script dot paste. Open, and you go tile type dot, and we want refuel. Close it. Semicolon. Save. Break. Then semicolon again. No. Semicolon. Break. Semicolon. Save. So you know how you normally put these all in a row, right? You would do it like this and then like this, right? For these that are all going to be one-liners, I would prefer to have them all in a row so they're easy to read. Okay, so card type, gain turn. Let's move to the next one. Copy. Paste. All right, let's see which other ones we have. Dot, gain 250, copy, paste, paste. Gain 500, gain 750. They're all given the same sound, right? So save.
But not refuel.
That's true. They will play this one. So just select play sound, play SFX. That's the one. Yeah, open around, tab, dot, should be play gain. Play gift.
Play gift, maybe?
No, gift is bad. Do I not have one for gain? No, I don't. Okay.
Will we just find it now?
We can, yeah. Yes, we do. We have one. We just totally skipped it. Yeah, we totally skipped it because we're silly. All right,
More
so
copying and pasting, but not very
let's go take a
much.
look. Yeah, copy, paste, gain.
Good game.
Save.
Oops.
Okay, it's not a big deal. This won't take us too long. Copy all of this. Paste. AIN. AIN. Save. Copy. Paste. AIN. Like Ayn Rand, same thing, except she has a Y. A space N. Save. Okay, that's done. Okay, copy all of this, place it here. Okay, AIN, AIN, AIN,
Ein.
AIN. I need a G, capital G. Copy, paste, save. All right, Fixio.
Game.
Close round bracket. Save. Copy. Paste. Okay. Lose. Start typing. Lose 500. Lose 1000.
Delete.
Save. Lose. Losing.
Losing.
Save. Okay.
You're using the
Copy
wrong
this.
verb.
Paste. Steal.
Steal.
Steal. Steal. Play steal. Just a steal. Yeah, there it is. Save. Okay, so these are, I think there's a gift, right, gift. So copy this, paste it here. Oh, wait a moment, I'm an idiot. Steal and gift require somebody to be clicked. So we can't do that. That's right, save.
Then where will we put them?
Yeah, it's a good point.
I think we had found that function where we had all the things. We were calling some functions, I don't remember. But it was in Game Manager, I think. There was one that we were looking for the where the active player stuff was.
So what I'm starting to think is that it's not exactly ideal to ask for these card SFXs in the card, but I think we're gonna leave it as it is for now, and then we're going to request the card SFXs on the players too, because I think that makes sense generally speaking. So let's go to the player, copy this.
There's an error.
That's fine, we'll fix it, whatever. Paste it and play, change this one to card or deck. No, deck is better. Yeah, deck SFX. Okay, deck SFX. And play deck SFX. Save. Copy all of this. Paste. Deck. Deck with all capitals. I think SFX you need to add. Save. Request deck sound. And yeah, save. And everything should already work, so that's pretty good. Right, so we can use now this to call from the player. Let's see what the situation is here. Tile type T. Right, PM play tile SFX. Save. Alright, so this is now all correctamundo. So let's quickly go and take a look if there's anything else that needs to play directly on the card. And the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna just delete this. Right, so let's see which ones.
Pariah.
One moment. So closest background, no. Closest refuel, no. Deployment, no. Gain turn, yes. Gain. Gift, no. Lose, yes. No effect, yes. That one needs to be played on the card.
That's the lol one.
Yeah, so this one was lose. Okay, so let's do that one. This one, there's going to be only one, but still of this type. So copy.
There's no effect.
Paste. And you go lol.
Lost lol.
Yeah.
It's no effect.
No effect. Yeah, okay. And we can delete this and just say lol. Okay, copy this. Paste. Let's see. Push. All of these sound when you click, so it doesn't matter.
Restart lap.
Restart lap. This one definitely.
Reverse turn 2.
Restart.
Reverse as well.
Yeah, copy. Add a C first.
Cool.
I did say it. Shift tab. Okay. Reverse. Just add verse. Copy. Paste.
I think that was it.
No. There should be at least one more. Pariah. Target me.
Oh yeah, target me.
Swap needs a click.
Non is just nothing.
So, Pariah.
Oops. Pariah.
Okay, save. Alright, now all of this should be done. Now where we need to go is we need to go to our game manager. Okay, request car player sound. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna say card T equals tile type dot. Do we have a none? No, we don't. Oh, poo-poo. That's not great. Alright, so let's go and create a none type. Which apparently is tile type. There it is. So we go underscore none equals -1, comma. Okay, so there we get a no sound whatsoever, which is pretty good. Audio man, I always like to have a none so I can.
Tile type does not contain a definition for start. You must have added something.
Okay, that's good to go.
Game manager starts. Yes.
Save. Thanks. So audio manager, these all don't have a none, so I'm gonna add a none. None equals -1. I mean, usually I wouldn't have them here.
Let's copy it so it can be faster.
Right, I'm thinking. No, that's fine. Let's leave the sounds without the none. That's gonna be much better. But what we do want is we want the card type to not be none. And there they are. Oh, we have a none for the cards. Brilliant.
None for the debug.
Yeah, well, we're gonna use it for other things too now. So here we're gonna give it a default value of none. Whoops. Didn't I teach you not to press enter? That's why I did it. Okay, and here add a card type. C space C equals. No. First you need to tell it it's card type. So tab and now dot none.
Dot underscore none.
There it is. Okay, save. So now we can default them, right? And so we're gonna have to basically do an if here, and here you're gonna say if open T is not tab dot none close open close save, and I'm gonna change my mind on something. Put player, yeah, P, comma, and instead of list sequence return blah blah blah, just say P. Save. Now this guy's gonna complain a little bit, and here you're just going to say, oh wait, request card players, and this is for the player, right? And we're gonna say game manager.script, no, game manager.script script dot players, list of players, there it is, square bracket, game manager.script dot, which is going to be a lot of game manager, yeah, comma is much better, dot script.
I keep writing comma. Script
Dot list turns or whatever. Okay, wait, it's not available. I don't like this. Okay. Oh my word.
This isn't.
Wait a second. Wait. Let Daddy think for a moment. So game turn. This is a type of tile.
No, it's not.
Yes,
no, wait, yes, it
is. So let's go to the game manager, and this one's already public. So copy this. Oh no, wait, is this what we're already doing? Yes, it is. Okay, so write. This is events, score. What are regions? Interactions. Okay, let's go to calculations, and here go public space player. Open round, no, what am I saying? I'm sorry. Get, capital G, get active player. Open round, close round, open squiggly. Yeah, now close the round as opposed to a 0. Okay, save. All right, and what we're going to do now is we're simply going to return space list of players. List of players, square bracket, list of turns, turn sequence, open square bracket, active turn, player, close to square brackets, close to square brackets, semicolon. Alright, copy this and paste it here, open close round. Comma. Save. Alright. All errors gone. So back to the bloody game manager here. We have to play this one every time we click on someone, and that is under appoint victim. And it needs to be a valid victim.
Ooh, at least we have all the things.
It needs to be here. So you go whatever that function's called. Copy this. Oh wait, no, this function is missing something. Copy this, paste it here. Now copy this, paste it here, put a C, save. And now instead of tile SFX, change this to deck SFX. And C, save. Alright, now it's happy. Copy this.
No, it's not.
Why are you not happy?
Card
Cannot
type.
convert
This is
from
a card type.
type
That's a
to
card type.
deck type. Yeah, it's deck SFX type. That's kind of stupid, I just realized, because we should be sending a card type instead. So let's go to the player here and change this to deck type. Deck SFX, card type, sorry. Card type, that's good. And now player motor, change this to card type. Yep. And now it's not gonna like it because it doesn't know what deck sound you want, and which means we're gonna have to make a big switch here. Okay, so go ahead and type a switch. Open T, close, open squiggly, enter, enter, close squiggly. Okay, case. Tab. Dot. Okay. Whew. So this is for. When is this played again? How did you get them dirty again? It's her glasses. I need to clean her glasses all the time.
Because they get very dirty.
I read on some news somewhere that apparently people with glasses are more intelligent.
We'll see.
We look stupid with glasses, but we are more intelligent. I have glasses too. Okay, so, well, you know, I'm giving you my genes. Be happy. Now you get to wear glasses.
You also gave me the bad feet, and now I have fasciitis.
Yes, I'm all broken. And now you can hate me forever, okay? So when I'm old, just let me rot in some kind of hospice and we'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll see about that.
We'll see about that. You'll decide when the time comes.
Now let's get back to the class.
Yes, let's. So, I don't remember how we did this, but request deck sound. Okay, so before we do that, here, create a deck SFX type. Yeah, create it. Call it D, space D, semicolon. Okay, put D here. Save. Give it equals deck SFX type dot draw, whatever. Actually, it's not great that we have a default. Anyway, save. So we're trying to go quickly, people, because our hour is expired. So we're trying to finish this as quickly as possible. That's why we are cutting corners a little bit. So case card type, what were we doing here? Right, we needed to check all of these individual things, and all of these had to be played when? I can't remember. So we need to go take a look at the card, because the card calls that at the moment. Or are we already dealing with... No, okay, yeah, the card. So right here, that's the one. That's the one we're worrying about. Refuel. Okay, so this is the only one that we have at the moment. I am silly, I think. We should have one for lose turn as well. Yeah, copy this. Actually, no, my bad. Copy this. Paste it here. Go lose turn. No, okay. Try to breakdown. Breakdown. Skip turn. That's what it's called. That's the one. And here you go. Type breakdown. No, it's already there. Breakdown.
Breakdown.
Okay, save. All right. So we got these, gain turn and skip turn. These are the ones we want. So this is kind of stupid. We're going back and forth like idiots. Oh, wait. Your daddy is like stuck in stupid now. So I receive a card type. I need to convert the card type because it depends on the card type that I get. Does it? Does it not? I don't know.
Does it?
Well, wait a moment. So back here, right? It needs a tile type, deck SFX type. These are called directly on the card. This is for the tile type. So, no, your daddy is being very silly right now. So let's undo all of this, because we, instead of sending a card type here, we're gonna send a deck SFX type. Yeah, that's just fine. Now the player also will send a deck SFX type. Hit Control Y for me. Save. Actually, I'm just gonna save them all.
There's still one more.
Yeah, I know. That's the error here. Now here we're gonna change this to deck SFX type.
So we are gonna do what I said.
Copy this, paste it here, and put a D here just for my peace of mind. Another D, okay? And now save. Now
There's
none
no none for that.
is going to complain because it doesn't exist. So we're gonna go to the deck, to the audio manager, and definitely add a none here. I'm not a huge fan of sounds that don't exist because it forces us to add another thing. So save here. Okay, now just to be absolutely sure, yeah, put a D here. Okay, now all the errors should be fixed. Save. Right, now just to be absolutely sure that we're not ordering a none, right? Here we need to, oh no, it's fine because none will return null. Okay, good, we're fine. Game manager, right, okay, copy this.
The CU code.
Paste it here, open RAM. Okay, so player P, put a P, comma. Now, tile type none, you want to leave this one on tile type none at least for now. So you go tile type and you go dot none, yeah, comma. But the deck has FX type, we need one. So hit tab dot, and this one is push pull. Close the round, semicolon.
We can copy this and put it on all the push
Copy
pulls.
it, paste it, paste it.
We're almost done.
Paste it. Slow down. Paste it. Paste it. Save. Okay,
So that's done.
that's done. Now steal. Paste it. And this one we are gonna call P none, and here goes steal.
Please steal.
Copy. Paste. 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 Gift.
Gift.
Copy. Paste. No, undo, undo, undo. Paste. 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 Swap.
So sound.
Copy. Nothing. Pariah. Okay, that's done. Okay, save everything. Just
Save.
blam. Okay, now let's give this a test.
Test and hope it works.
Yes.
Work.
Should work. Relax.
We should have all the sounds in the game now.
Nice and quiet now so we can hear it.
That worked.
Yeah, I quite like the thing for putting the card away too.
This is so messy and not dirty. Again.
Apparently.
He's getting lots of free rolls. I'm gonna do the good one this time.
Blister. I think I would probably prefer the gift sound to trigger right as soon as the card is spawned. And then when you click something else to trigger. Like clings.
Pong.
Wow, that's a good thing though, eh? That's a huge distance.
Yeah, at least he went forward by a lot, but he's got 2 breakdowns now.
That's good.
I like the sound.
See, I would like the sound to play now, but it doesn't. So red should gift to whom? To green is the one who's the least.
That wasn't as funny, is it?
Okay, so yeah, I don't like this. So let's go back to the card, and this is fairly easy to do. So copy this.
Copy pariah.
Actually, no, my bad. So we're gonna do both steal and gift. So copy this, both of them. Yeah, paste them here. Start typing gift. Okay, so gift 500. Copy. Paste. Paste. What are you doing? What's happening?
My sweater is hot for some reason.
Okay, copy all of this. Paste it here.
Doesn't matter though.
Change this to steel.
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 And steel.
Steel.
And here you're going to say steel.
Steel.
And gift.
Gift.
Okay, save.
Save.
Now we need to go back to the game manager and change these here. So here you want to do get, I think.
Get.
Again, that's the one. So copy, paste, paste. So that's for steal, right? And for gift instead, we're gonna play lose. So lose. Okay, copy, paste, and paste. Right? So because you lose when you gift. So save. Okay. So let's hear how this sounds. We're gonna play around with the numbers a bit now. We're gonna turn off maximize on play. Game manager. Okay, play. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, so here we're going to change to steal. I want to see how it sounds. Except I'm gonna have to roll again.
You can't see how it sounds just yet. First, wait for Boom. I think he's gonna end up on 9. Nope, just about. Just ahead.
Okay, so we heard that. There.
Cutting.
I like that. And now instead of steal, we're gonna put
Lose.
gift.
And then we can test Pariah and the others to see
Yeah,
if they
we're
work.
testing them all now, one by one. But this one is a bit different. So I need to gift to someone. I'm gonna gift to yellow.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. Okay, so that works. Now let's go with swap. Ooh, look at this.
Boom, boom.
Swap. Okay, this is a bad swap, so we're gonna go with this.
You played the swap sound.
Yeah.
Go with
Skip
Pariah.
turn. Need to do them all. So I think I'm gonna change this to 2 so they walk less. Okay, that worked. Pariah.
I'm waiting for the
Oh,
laughing.
except he's gonna get another roll. Rubbish.
What? Wait, he's gonna roll a 2, so.
Okay.
People laughed at him.
Push forward.
Good roll grade. Perfect. Now let's switch to reverse turn.
Lose.
Or lose.
We well. Let's do that.
Have we lost lose? Have we done lose?
I love the fart when you get a turn.
Yeah.
So restart lap. Ooh, poor blue. Well, he ends up on breakdown and restarts the lap. So restart lap, closest breakdown. Let's see if it works. This should make no sound. Perfect. I like how that sounds. Deploy mine. Oh dear, this won't make a sound. Yeah, we don't have one for now, so. Closest refuel will sound the same as the other, so we're good. Gift we've tried, no effect. So lol.
Soon we'll have more laughing, I think. The different kind.
Yeah. By the way, people, if you ever get kids, you should know they're gonna like do sound effects all the time, which is good, I guess. Okay, gain turn.
And make up words.
Ooh, this one's interesting actually. Watch. We're gonna break down, right? We get the bonus turn, but we don't get to the big fart. Reverse turn.
2 big farts. Ding.
Okay, confirmed. All of the sounds that we've put in work. So yeah, we're gonna see you again next time, where we're gonna add just the last sound for deploying a mind, or generally doing something to tiles, for which we're gonna use that tile audio source that we used to have before. Yeah, so thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you again next time.
Which
Bye.
might be tomorrow for a surprise episode, or on Monday for a non-surprise episode.
Right. Well, you poor daddy, always working. Okay. Talk to you later, people. Bye bye.
See ya.